What's up, y'all? I'm in a good mood. I just got out of court. And I'm happy. Because I beat my case. Oh my gosh, I beat my case. It is lifted off of me, man. But I want to talk about going to court. Because some people, they don't understand it. They don't get it. First of all, I'm going to say this. It could be unfair if you don't have the means or the financial money to buy a lawyer or purchase a lawyer. I spent a couple $1,000s on a lawyer, and he was well worth it. So let me tell you, I went to court the first time by myself. It took less than a minute for the judge to say guilty. All right. I called around for some lawyers, and I got a lawyer, a reputable lawyer. Spent had to drop some thousands on it. Now I got representation because I don't really know the law like that, but the lawyer does. All right, get a lawyer. I know if you can't afford a lawyer, they get one for you, but it's not the same if you have a lawyer that you spend money for. It's different. All right. Number 2, dress for the part. Dress. You have to look presentable going to court. I walked in that courtroom. I had through the sheriffs. Through the metal detectors, they was asking me if I was a lawyer. Asking, hey, are you a lawyer? I said, no, I'm not a lawyer. I have a case. So yes, optics matter. Optics matter. So I'm in court, right? And I'm seeing people who have cases who look like a criminal. You're dirty. Your jeans are holes in it. You got a t-shirt on that's dingy. Come on. Your court date, you have 3 months, at least 2-3 months for your court date. Borrow something. Don't come up in there looking like you just got finished playing basketball or doing construction work. Optics matter. The funny thing about being in court is when you're waiting on your name to be called, you hear all these other cases. I mean, you just be laughing and chuckling at some of these cases, man. People coming out in prison with handcuffs and their orange jumpsuits. But I want to give a shout out to Staloot for beating my case, man. And I'm gonna tell you what it was. It was traffic. I didn't rob. I didn't do nothing crazy. It was traffic, but it was a misdemeanor. But I didn't deserve the ticket. I did it, and it was affecting my employment. It was affecting my business because I had a misdemeanor on my record. I said, nah, we had to do something about that, and the judge straight up dismissed it. But I came with all my ducks in a row. I'm telling you guys, court don't take it. So I just want to end this and say optics matter. Look the part when you go somewhere. I had to paint myself in the best light. I was in there talking about I do stuff for the community. I substitute teach. I give back to the youth. You got to come with all your ducks in a row. And I feel like the criminal justice system can be unfair for people who can't afford a lawyer. Because you could really be innocent, but you don't fight the charge. Charge sticks on your record because you can't afford a lawyer, or in the public defender is not really gonna fight for you like somebody you spend money for. And I'm thankful that I had the money to get a lawyer because it was affecting business and employment. There's 3 places I don't like to go. I don't like to go to court. I don't like to go to funerals, and I don't like to go to the hospital. But when I got to go, I guess you got to go. I also don't like wasting money. I spent thousands of dollars on this lawyer. I felt like he did a great job, but I felt like I wasted money over a jerk cop. The cop, he didn't have to give me this ticket. Like, he knew. Like, the judge dismissed it after he heard the evidence of the case. Like, yo, it's a situation. I could talk about that in another video. But listen, guys, I'm thankful. I prayed about it. Case dismissed. I'm blessed. Time to get on with life. Thank you. Be blessed. Peace.